Hello and welcome to martinmaths. We're continuing the higher paper series, doing higher paper 1, question 20. And this here is simultaneous equations. What we have to do is substitute what we can find from one equation into the other. Now we have quadratics and a linear, so we can't use elimination. We have to use substitution. But what we first need to do is try and rearrange it so that 1 is the subject of the formula. And I'll make x, so I'm going to move that to be 2y minus 3. So a lot of skills that we were using already. I have a few videos on rearranging. Now, if I call this one equation 1, this one equation 2, I'm going to substitute 1 into 2, or should I say 2 into 1, and get 2y minus 3 plus y squared equal to 18. So now I've only got one unknown in one equation. That was squared there. So I'm going to expand that. If you're not sure, write both brackets next to each other. Don't put that 2 across to them because you'll miss out 2 terms. Make sure that you have 4 terms when you expand. That's 4y squared. That's minus 6y. That's minus 6y. If you're not sure about expanding, you can do this FOIL. First, outer, inner, last, or the smiley face. Just make sure that you have 4 terms. And that's the minus 3 times minus 3. So I've got 2y squared minus 6y, and then plus 9 plus that y squared there equal to 18. So that should get us 2 marks there, 1 for the substitution and 1 for the expanding. Now I'm going to simplify. I can click those terms together. Minus 6y, and I click those terms together. 5y squared minus 12y plus 9 equal to 18. I'm going to bring the 18 across and set it equal to 0, because then we can factorize. What we're going to have to do now is factorize and put 2 brackets there. Now you can either use trial and error, or you can use the factorizing by groups. I got taught a method which was first, last, and middle. So I'm going to put 5y squared there and break that down into its factors. The last one being the minus 9, which I'm going to break down to its factors, and hope that when I cross multiply, I'm ignoring the signs for the minute, I can see that I can get 12. 3y and 15. Well, if I make that a subtract and that a positive, then I'm going to I should be able to get a minus, if I watch my signs there, I want to end up with minus 12y, so I actually need a plus there and a minus there. So when I sum those, I'm going to get minus 12y. Okay, do comment below if you need some help with that method. And so I now know that those 2 will become my brackets. 5y plus 3 and y minus 3. Quickly check 5y squared minus 15 plus 3 gives me minus 12y, and that gives me minus 9. So now to answer that, I'm going to have y equal to 3 or y equal to minus 3/5. Then what I need to do is substitute that back into one of our original equations, make it easy, and pick that one, so that we get x equal to 2y minus 3, so it'll be 6 minus 3, it'll be 3, or x will equal minus 6/5 minus 3, I know that's 1.2, so minus 4.2. It is a non-calculator paper, so I would have to do those calculations. And those are our answers. 3, 3, or minus 4.2 minus 3/5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and continue watching this higher paper series.